Alright, dreamers and dreamettes, tonight I'm going to take you through a meal prepping experience. I've changed up my foods a little bit. I'm making ground turkey, asparagus, I'll probably make some black beans, and I'm going to make some potatoes. Let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, so we're down here at the meal prep. Sorry I'm so quiet. Kids are sleeping. So I'm holding real close, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, ground turkey, black beans, white potatoes, and asparagus. So the first thing I do when I get these is I chop the fat ass ends off the asparagus. And that's what you gotta do. And then you take this right here. Take this rubber band off. Stick them in there. Like so. Stick them in some water like so. And then for 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes. And then I just take those ends and toss them right out. Bam. That's how I get my asparagus going. And then I'm gonna fry it up. I got a large pan right here. I'll get out all the pans I need. So I just got out all the pans that I'm gonna need. So this, I'm gonna make asparagus in this first, and then I'll cook the ground turkey after. Say hello to Marcus. Potatoes in here, black beans in here, and we'll come back when this is about to get ready. Alright guys, so while I'm here, what I'm going to do is, since I'm 22 years old and I can do this, I'm going to pour myself a glass of wine while I make this food, guys. So what I'm going to do here in a second is I'm going to prepare my pan for the asparagus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get down my olive oil. Bam, olive oil pure, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that natural. And I'm just going to start coating the pan, guys. That ought to be enough, guys. That ought to be enough. As you can see, I don't measure my shit. Considering this is a bulk, I'm not measuring my shit. If I was also cutting, guys, I wouldn't be drinking a wine with this. Just to let you know that now. But that is for the beginning of the asparagus. I'm going to make the asparagus nice and brown. I'm going to put salt on it, pepper, and then at the end I'm going to put some butter on it, because that just makes it... You guys don't even know. It turns me Italian thinking about butter. We'll get back with it. So we're back, guys. And what we did is we started the asparagus. So I put some salt and pepper on there. I got the olive oil in the pan. And the asparagus is in. So while that's going, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start dicing up these potatoes. Now, typically I peel the skins, but today I'm going to try something different, and I'm going to keep the skins on and see if I like the taste any better. And if I don't, then I'll just start peeling the skins off again. But I'm trying to experiment a little bit. The black beans are going to be real easy to cook. I just kind of put them in that pan. They're already ready. Just warm them up with some freaking garlic salt on them. As for the ground turkey, that is going to go in that pan when the asparagus is done. So I'll put the asparagus in a little container. I'll start cooking the ground turkey. I'll put a little bit more olive oil in the pan probably. And then I'm going to put some chili powder on that, and then probably some onion salt and a little bit of black pepper. I don't really know what goes well on ground turkey. This is honestly my first time making it. Normally I do ground beef, but gotta change it up every now and again. So, especially since I only have this one last week here. Actually, I'm here for next week too, so I should have bought fucking ground beef now that I think about it. For some reason I thought this was my last week here before winter break. But so I poured myself a glass of that red wine. I'm gonna start chopping up the potatoes over there. I got my phone. I'll probably watch a little bit of YouTube. I'll put the black beans in there. I'll start getting them warmed up. I'll turn the potatoes on. And then when this asparagus is over, I'll make the ground beef. Or not the ground beef, the ground turkey. And then I'll show you how it goes. Alright? Tune back in. See how they're getting brown, guys? That's exactly what you want. See that? Exactly what you want. I'm going to throw some butter on top, and those are going to be done. There's the butter, guys. Well, you know, these are going to be delicious as hell. Alright, guys, so we're back. I've got the asparagus up in this container right here. I've got more olive oil in this pan. I got potatoes back here. I got some garlic salt up in there. And we're going to get to cooking, guys. In this pan is going to go the ground turkey. And I'll catch up with you guys when I'm making it. Alright, guys, so as you can see, the ground turkey is almost finished. I put some chili powder on top of there. And now it's time for the potatoes and the black beans, which are right over here already opened up. Take advantage, guys. Alright, guys, there we are. Black beans with some garlic salt, potatoes with some garlic salt. All the ground turkey's made. That's 3 pounds right there, guys. And then the asparagus. And that's going to be the meals. So this is going to last me probably the rest of the week until Friday. I work 3:30 to midnight on Friday, so it's just going to last me until that shift is over. And then I work on Saturday. I'm off on Sunday. Sunday I actually have a CPR and AED course. And I have to take that in order to get my personal training license. So that is the plan, guys. So back to this. The reason why I tried to keep the potato peels on, if you can see that they're still on there, is hopefully it won't change the taste too much. But on top of that, the potato peels is where a lot of the nutrients and vitamins are. So I wanted to keep it on there to see if I could taste them, and my body felt any different. And if it doesn't, I'm just going to take them off, so it's not going to be that big of a deal. This was just the second half of a potato bag that I had, and I've had it for not quite some time, but probably like a week or two now. So I'm not really too worried about it if I end up having to throw them out. That's why I made the asparagus, and that's why I made the black beans. Typically, if I make asparagus, I don't make black beans. I'll just have the potatoes with the asparagus, with the ground turkey, which is usually ground beef. But since I changed it up, we'll see how it goes. If I don't like them, I'll throw them out, and I'll let you guys know, guys. I will let you know. I will let you know either way. I'm probably going to eat one of these meals after it's made. So I'm just going to continue to enjoy my glass of wine. I've been watching Friends quite a bit lately, so I've been paying attention to that. I've been watching it on YouTube. I've been watching it on Netflix. So I'm watching those, Joey's funniest scenes right now. As you can see, or probably can't see because it's so dark, we're set up for Christmas in this house. I will not be in this house. I will be home at my parents' house for Christmas, which is in Ontario. I am currently in Geneseo. But that is the plan for now, guys. I'll get back to you when it's all done and when I'm eating it and let you know, guys, how it is. Alright, guys, before I get to this food, I gotta let you know something. I finished that glass of wine, and that shit was like 17% alcohol. I feel pretty good. But now let's get to this food. So I got the ground turkey over here. I covered it in saran wrap, of course. I got the asparagus over here. The potatoes filled up more than I expected. Not really more than I expected. I kind of expected it. So I got them in 2 dishes, and then I got the black beans. I'm gonna use my dirty dishes, and then I wash my wine glasses over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna microwave this food. So I'm gonna fix myself a plate. I'm gonna microwave it. I'll show it to you when I microwave it. I'm gonna take it upstairs probably because I'm gonna take all my dirty dishes up. I'm gonna take all this food up and put it in my fridge. And then I'll let you know how these potatoes are with the skins on. And if I like them, I'll let you know I like them. I'll tell you to try it. If I don't like it, I'll be honest with you. And then if it's just alright, like I can still eat it, but it's not gonna be like the most delicious thing in the world, I'll let you know that, and I'll tell you that you should probably give it a try. But try it at your own risk, you know what I mean? So if you don't got the cash or some shit like that to buy new potatoes, or if you just don't like throwing away cash, I don't like throwing away cash, but I'll do it if I have to. Keep that in mind, guys. But I'll let you know, alright? So I'll see you upstairs. Alright, guys, we are back. I'm up in my room now, and I'm going to show you this meal. So these are the potatoes, the asparagus in the middle there, the ground turkey, and the black beans. I filled up my water bottle because I didn't want to go to bed with that freaking, I'm not sure if they call it bitter or what do you call wine that isn't sweet. But I'm going to eat this meal. I'm going to drink this bottle of water. Right now I'm watching some Conor McGregor, but I'm honestly going to turn it back to Friends. I'm I don't really need to watch this again. I've watched this many times. So I'll probably turn it back over to friends. I'm honestly going to turn this fireplace down because I'm fucking hot as hell right now. So I'll probably open up my window that's on this side of the room. That's next to my fridge. That's where I put all my meal prep stuff already. If you want to see all my dirty dishes, they're on top of that cabinet. I will wash them tomorrow. Tomorrow I only have to work on one group project, and that's at 10 in the morning. And after that I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to continue to eat. I'll wash those dishes. I have laundry in the dryer that I can pick up. And then I am good for the day. I just got to study for my one final that's on Thursday. As you know, tomorrow's Tuesday. So that is my plan, guys. So this was my meal prep. This is the meal. And I'll let you guys know how it is. Pretty damn good, guys. Pretty damn good. I like it. I like it better with the skins on. Honestly, I'm gonna keep doing it. The asparagus is banging. I kept on the Conor McGregor. Let's try it all. I normally mix it, so it's like a slot plate. So it's black beans, ground turkey, normally ground beef and potatoes. It's incredible. Don't be upset at me, guys. I just showed you how to make this. That's my slot plate right there. I should have some asparagus sitting right over here still. Yep. Oh no. It's some good shit, guys. What'd I tell you? Give this a try. Let me know what you think. But that's the end of the video, guys. All I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drink this water, finish this meal, watch this video, turn on some friends, brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna go to bed. But like, comment, subscribe. Holla back at me, guys.